The golden age of Roman art and culture under Augustus. When Augustus rose to power, Rome wasn't just rebuilding from civil war. It was stepping into a golden age, a new era where art, literature, and architecture would reshape the identity of an entire civilization. Augustus understood something powerful. An empire isn't held together by armies alone. It needs stories. It needs beauty. It needs culture. In his court, some of history's greatest minds gathered. Poets, philosophers, and writers, all crafting works that would define Rome for centuries. The legendary poet Virgil created the Aeneid, an epic that traced Rome's heroic past and its divine destiny. It became the national epic of the Roman people. Horace, another towering figure, wrote his famous Odes. Through his words, he celebrated Rome's glory, its elegance, and the peace brought by Augustus. His poetry reflected the stability and prosperity of this remarkable era. Then came Ovid, author of Metamorphoses, a beautiful tapestry of myth and transformation. But his life took a darker turn. Caught in a mysterious scandal, he was exiled, a tragic reminder that even genius wasn't beyond the reach of imperial power. But Augustus didn't just elevate literature. He reshaped the physical heart of Rome. He famously said, "I found Rome a city of brick, and left it a city of marble." Under his rule, countless temples, theaters, public baths, and grand monuments rose from the ground. The Theater of Marcellus, the Forum of Augustus, the Ara Pacis, the Altar of Peace, all standing as symbols of a renewed empire. Rome transformed into a shining marble city, an architectural masterpiece proclaiming the glory of Augustus's reign. This was more than politics, more than propaganda. It was the rebirth of a civilization, the cultural foundation of the Roman Empire, and one of the greatest artistic renaissances in human history.